Khatkhati police, one man arrested with banned cough syrup. The Khatkhati police team arrested a person red-handed with a cough syrup as part of a campaign. According to the information received, at around 8 o'clock in the night, according to the instructions of the sub-divisional police officer Rustam Raj Brahma, the Khatkhati police team searched the Pulsar motorcycle number NL07838884 coming from Dimapur during the Naka checking under the leadership of police station in charge Nitul Sakia, and a total of 100 milliliters of 110 ounce bottle of banned CC cough syrup Quidine recovered from inside a bag hanged on the motorcycle. In this regard, the police arrested the motorcycle driver. The prosecution was identified as Tinku Das son Bapi Das, resident Longkrang village Fulbari, Khatkhati. Siddharth Chaube, Bokajan Public TV, Assam.